Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a natural winter makeup look that is soft, fresh, hydrating, and perfect for cold weather. Winter can make our skin dry and dull, so in this tutorial, we'll use affordable and good quality products that keep your skin moisturized while giving you that natural winter glow, simple, hydrating, fresh, and perfect for cold weather. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup looks. Let's begin. Snowflake Sparkle. Step 1. Skin prep, most important in winter. To start, I prep my skin with a deeply hydrating moisturizer because winter makeup only looks good when the base is smooth. I love using the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, which contains hyaluronic acid and ceramides that repair the skin barrier and keep your face hydrated for hours without feeling heavy or oily. After moisturizer, I apply a hydrating primer to help makeup sit well on dry winter skin. The e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide is an amazing, affordable option because it grips makeup for long-lasting wear while smoothing texture and adding hydration. And the niacinamide helps even out skin tone. Step 2. Base makeup, light and natural. For the base, I prefer lightweight and natural-looking foundation during winter to avoid khaki-ness. One of my favorites is the L'Oreal True Match Nude Tinted Serum, which gives a hydrating, radiant finish and blends easily into the skin while providing medium coverage that still looks natural, even more natural base. This is perfect because it's infused with 1% pure hyaluronic acid that hydrates the skin and leaves a glowy second skin effect, making it ideal for winter. For concealer, I keep it minimal and only apply where needed. The Maybelline Fit Me Concealer is a great lightweight option that blends seamlessly and never looks heavy or dry, and offers creamy coverage and brightens the under eye area beautifully. Step 3. Set lightly, only T-zone. Since winter skin is already dry, I only set the areas that need it. The Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder works well because it's lightweight and keeps makeup in place without making the skin look flat or powdery, and sets the makeup softly and blurs pores without drying out the skin when used sparingly. Step 4. Soft Winter Blush. After setting, I move on to blush because a soft winter flush brings warmth back to the face. I love using creamy or liquid blushes in winter because powders can look dry. The Rare Beauty Soft Pinch. Liquid blush in shades like Hope or Bliss gives that perfect natural winter pink glow and blends beautifully into the skin without lifting foundation. Step 5. Brows Soft and Natural. For the brows, I keep them soft and natural using simple and effective products. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil is an amazing budget product that fills in gaps lightly, giving a natural brow shape without harsh lines, has a thin tip that allows hair-like strokes for a natural, fluffy brow look. On the eyes, I stick to warm browns and simple shimmer shades to keep the look soft and winter appropriate. Step 6. Eyes Simple, Clean, and Winter Friendly. Another good palette is the Revolution Reloaded Neutral Palette, which has a mix of soft browns and subtle shimmers perfect for a natural, everyday winter eye look. For mascara, I always pick a formula that adds lift without clumping. The Maybelline Lash. Sensational Mascara is a classic because it separates and lengthens lashes for a natural, fluttery look, while a budget favorite that gives volume and definition without feeling heavy. Step 7. Lips Moisturize plus Soft Tint. For the lips, hydration is everything during winter, so I start with a lip balm and add a tint or hydrating gloss. The Vaseline Lip Therapy. Rosy Lips is perfect because it moisturizes while adding a soft pink tint that looks natural and fresh that gives a nice tinted finish with long-lasting moisture, if you want a glossy, hydrated look. Step 8. Natural Glow Finishing Spray. To finish the entire makeup look, I use a hydrating setting spray to melt all the products into the skin and create a natural winter glow, e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Mist. Setting spray gives a radiant finish without looking oily and adds hydration and a soft glow with a refreshing coconut scent.